Welcome to episode 9 of Refashion series, where I take a polka dot top and turn it into a skirt. This top I inherited from my grandmother Metta when she passed away. It's already cute to begin with, but it's not really my style or something that I would wear, so that's why I'm trying to refashion it. It's also missing a bunch of buttons. So I'm going to turn it into this pencil skirt. Let's get started. So the suggestion to make it a skirt came from my friend Katie, and I loved that suggestion and I went with it. The first thing I did after I opened the yoke was sew side seams right where I'm showing you with my hands. Once those were sewn, I went ahead and I removed the sleeves and the remaining piece of the yoke. You'll notice that the interfacing is still there because I am going to keep the buttons and I'm going to add some more. I also removed the pocket. So I put it on. This is backwards. You can tell I need to work on that side seam again, but I'm just marking where I want to add the buttonholes and sew on additional buttons. So here's my line for my buttonhole, and this is the best sewing machine foot ever. All you do is you line it up with your buttonhole, put the thing down, and then hold the pedal down the whole time. So here's super speed motion. I literally just keep my foot on the pedal. I don't move my fabric, and it sews the buttonhole for me. All I have to do is cut it open once it's done. Now I lowered the hem. Here's the original hem. You can see it was right there. And I did a tiny fold and made it just a little bit longer. You can see the new hem at the bottom. I also had a little issue with the back. It was not quite wide enough for me to wear, so I turned it into this triangle, and I bought some matching striped fabric that I'm going to put in that triangle. I'm also going to make the waistband out of it. So here's my waistband right before I sewed it on. I serged the end to make it nice and finished. And in this frame right here, I've already attached it to my skirt with my sewing machine, and now I'm going over that with my serger. Now the waistband's on. I use some cam snaps so that I can fasten it, and I'm done with the sewing. So here's the beginning again with some sweet dance moves, and here's the after. A really polished and chic pencil skirt. Thank you so much, Katie, for the suggestion. I really love it, and it's something that I'm totally gonna wear. My only issue is that it's a little bit short in the back, so I might be wearing it with a skirt extender, but overall, I'm really happy with how this turned out. If you like this refashion, please subscribe, and you can follow me at Metta.